Hi, for this video, I want to just show you how to calculate percent. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the amount that you know over the total, divide it in a calculator, and then just multiply by 100 to convert it to a percent. So let's look at the first example. A certain candidate in an election won 310 electoral votes out of a total of 518. And we want to know what percent of the votes did the candidate receive. So we know that he received 310 out of 518. So I would just simply plug into my calculator 310 divided by 518. And when I do that, I get approximately 0.5985. And then this is going to be the decimal form. From there, we do need to convert it into a percent. So I would multiply by 100%. And so we can see that he received approximately 59.85% of the total vote. So the candidate received almost 60% of the total vote. Let's look at the next one. The recommended daily allowance of niacin for adults is 20 milligrams. If a certain cereal contains 8 milligrams of niacin per serving, what percent of the daily allowance of niacin does one serving contain? So we would simply take the 8 that the cereal contains over the recommended daily allowance of 20. And when I plug that into my calculator, I get 0.4. And then I would take and multiply this by 100. And we end up with 40%. So this ends up being 40% of the daily allowance of niacin in one serving. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.